Have you ever wondered which machine truly deserves the title of the best robot vacuum cleaner? With so many options claiming to be the best automatic vacuum cleaner, it can be hard to know where to start. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most advanced models available today, each bringing its own powerful mix of features to transform how you clean. Links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below. Let's begin with the Roborock Qrevo S5V, a vacuum that redefines convenience with its zero-tangle system and self-emptying base. When you bring this machine into your home, you'll notice how seamlessly it integrates into your daily routine. The zero-tangle brush system is designed to handle hair without the frustrating wraparounds you might be used to, which means smoother, more efficient cleaning sessions. Pair that with the self-emptying dock, and you'll find that your involvement in the cleaning process is reduced to almost nothing. It's a best robot Hoover contender that quietly does its job while you go about your day. You'll also appreciate how Roborock has engineered the Qrevo S5V to adapt to different surfaces. You can expect it to transition easily from hard floors to carpets, maintaining strong suction and consistent cleaning performance. The precision in its navigation allows it to map your rooms intelligently, ensuring that every corner is covered without unnecessary repetition. Do you have more carpets or hard floors in your home? Let me know in the comments, because that can make a big difference in choosing the right robot vacuum. Another highlight is the way the Qrevo S5V manages dust and debris. With the self-emptying system, you don't have to worry about frequent bin cleanouts, and the sealed design helps keep allergens contained. This is especially beneficial if you have pets or family members who are sensitive to dust. The overall effect is a cleaner, fresher environment that you can feel as soon as you step into the room. Finally, what you'll enjoy most about the Qrevo S5V is the sense of reliability it brings. From the zero-tangle technology to the intelligent navigation and the self-emptying dock, every feature is designed to make your life easier. It's not just about having a clean floor, it's about reclaiming your time and enjoying the comfort of a home that feels well cared for. For many, this could easily be considered one of the best-rated robot vacuum options available today. Moving on, let's take a look at the Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni, a machine that impresses with its sheer power and versatility. With a suction strength of 16,600 pascals, you'll immediately notice how effectively it pulls dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. That level of suction means you can expect a deeper clean, one that leaves surfaces looking and feeling refreshed. Combined with the Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping System, it doesn't just vacuum, it also mops with precision, giving your floors a polished finish. One of the standout features you'll experience with the Deebot X9 Pro Omni is its zero-tangle 3.0 technology. This system is designed to prevent hair from wrapping around the brushes, which is a huge benefit if you have pets or long hair in your household. Instead of stopping to untangle the brush roll, you'll enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions that keep your home looking pristine. The triple lift system adds to this by automatically adjusting to different surfaces, ensuring that carpets and hard floors both receive the care they need. The intelligence of this robot is equally impressive. With AI-powered navigation, it doesn't just move randomly, it studies your home, learns its layout, and creates efficient cleaning routes. This means you'll see a robot that avoids obstacles with finesse and covers every area with purpose. The result is a home that feels consistently well-maintained, with minimal input from you. Perhaps the most luxurious aspect of the Deebot X9 Pro Omni is the Omni Station. This all-in-one base handles self-emptying, mop washing, drying, and even water refilling. When you use it, you'll notice how effortless the entire cleaning cycle becomes. You don't have to worry about dirty mop pads or emptying dustbins. The station takes care of it all, leaving you with the simple pleasure of enjoying a spotless home. Would you prefer an all-in-one station like this, or do you like the idea of keeping vacuuming and mopping separate? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear what you think. Now let's turn to the Mova V50 Ultra, a robot vacuum that combines raw power with thoughtful design. With an incredible 24,000 pascal suction capacity, you'll immediately feel the difference in how it lifts dirt and debris from deep within carpets and across hard floors. This kind of suction ensures that even the most stubborn messes are dealt with quickly and effectively, giving you confidence that your home is truly clean. The 100% hair removal capability, supported by its triple anti-tangle mechanisms, means that you can expect a smooth, hassle-free experience every time it runs. You'll also discover the benefits of the Duo solution system, which allows the robot to mop with warm water and apply specific cleaning solutions depending on your needs. If you want to tackle everyday dirt, you can use the all-purpose solution, while the pet odor removal agent is perfect for homes with animals. This flexibility means that your floors don't just look clean, they feel and smell fresh, creating a more inviting atmosphere throughout your home. Navigation is another area where the V50 Ultra shines. Its FlexiRise navigation system is designed to adapt to your environment, retracting in tight spaces for a more compact form and extending in open areas for better visibility and route planning. You'll notice how confidently it moves under furniture and around obstacles, ensuring that no spot is missed. The Stepmaster system further enhances this by allowing the robot to overcome thresholds and steps up to 2.36 inches, so your cleaning sessions aren't interrupted by uneven flooring. The maintenance of the Mova V50 Ultra is also remarkably straightforward. With features like the Jet Spray Dry Board, which evenly distributes water and minimizes stains, and a central filter that captures dirt and removes used water, you'll find that the system remains clean and odor-free even after extended use. This means less time spent worrying about upkeep, and more time enjoying the results of a home that feels consistently fresh and well cared for. For those searching for the best automatic vacuum cleaner, this is a model that delivers both power and convenience. Next, we come to the Dreame L50 Ultra, a robot vacuum that blends advanced suction power with innovative mopping technology. With its Vormax suction system delivering 19,000 pascals of power, you'll notice how effectively it lifts dirt from carpets and hard floors alike. The tri-cut brush works in tandem with this suction to capture debris efficiently, making each pass more productive and leaving your floors visibly cleaner. One of the most impressive features you'll experience is the Duo Scrub mopping system. This design, paired with Robo Swing mopping technology, ensures that your floors are not only vacuumed, but also scrubbed with a level of care that mimics manual cleaning. The mop can lift by 10.5 millimeters when it detects carpets, thanks to ultrasonic carpet detection, so you won't have to worry about damp carpets. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of mopping without any of the drawbacks. The Dreame L50 Ultra also stands out for its intelligence. With smart Pathfinder technology and 3D Adapt obstacle avoidance, you'll see it navigate your home with precision, avoiding furniture and other objects while still covering every area efficiently. This means you can let it run without supervision, confident that it will complete the job thoroughly and without incident. Another element you'll appreciate with the Dreame L50 Ultra is how well it balances performance with day-to-day practicality. The Hyperstream hair detangling system is particularly useful if you live with pets or have long hair in the household, as it keeps the brush roll free of snarls and ensures uninterrupted cleaning. Combined with the extended runtime, you can expect the robot to cover large areas of your home in a single session without needing to recharge. The result is a machine that not only delivers powerful, intelligent cleaning, but also does so with minimal need for your intervention, making it a strong candidate for the best-rated robot vacuum in its class. And last but not least, let's look at the Roborock Saros 10R, a machine that emphasizes ease of use and seamless integration into your life. From the moment you unpack it, you'll notice the attention to detail in its setup process, which is designed to be straightforward and intuitive. This means you can get it up and running quickly without the frustration that sometimes comes with new technology. Once in action, the Saros 10R demonstrates the kind of performance that Roborock is known for. Its cleaning system is engineered to handle a variety of surfaces with efficiency, and the zero tangling feature ensures that hair and fibers don't interrupt the process. You'll appreciate how smoothly it glides across your floors, collecting dust and debris without requiring constant intervention. The self-emptying system is another benefit that you'll quickly come to value. Instead of stopping to empty the dustbin after every session, the Saros 10R takes care of it on its own, allowing you to enjoy longer stretches of uninterrupted cleaning. This not only saves you time, but also keeps the system operating at peak efficiency. Perhaps the most striking thing you'll notice when using the Saros 10R is how seamlessly it fits into your daily life. From the easy setup to the intelligent cleaning performance and the convenience of self-emptying, it's a robot vacuum that feels like a natural extension of your home. For many homeowners, this is not just a best robot vac option. It's a dependable partner that quietly keeps your living space looking its best. Which of these 5 models do you think could be the best fit for your home? Share your pick in the comments. I'd love to see what everyone is leaning toward. So there you have it, 5 machines that each make a strong case for being the best robot Hoover on the market today. Whether you're drawn to the raw power of the Mova V50 Ultra, the versatility of the Dreame L50 Ultra, or the effortless convenience of the Roborock models, there's something here for every type of home. Links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below, so check them out and see which one feels like the perfect fit for you.